Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 364. Yeah, one from 365, which has no real importance or anything, but just a nice number, I guess. Anyway, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. This is the live recording of my contest. So if you like some explanations, in some attempt of an explanation, definitely check out the links in the description, or just use the YouTube search. Though I think a lot of people are doing videos these days, so I don't know. If you like it, if you don't, let me know in the comments. Yeah, 15 seconds to go. I think let's do this. Have my pencil paper ready. I'm awake for once. That always feels good. Feels like I haven't had a good contest in a while, so maybe this would be a good one. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Ooh. Okay. At least one. Okay. I was gonna make an if statement for it, but. I've told is okay. Heights is a mountain. The maximum possible. It's a mountain if the index I is very awkward phrasing, but I see it. Okay, fine. But it has to be equal to, so max height, max sum, okay. Okay. I think I get the problem. I think this is the length of max heights. What a sloppy constraints. Oh, this is only 1,000. I forget this is only Q2. It's Q3 have a bigger N. Q3 does have a bigger N. So might as well solve that first. How do I solve this? If thing is a mountain, then prefix and suffix, right? Yeah, okay, fine. Is that what we want? No, that's not what we want. That is kind of what we want, but we want it the other direction. It's kind of very confusing, actually. Is that what we want? We want 3. No, that's not what we want. What do we want? We want the min. Okay, I guess we don't start at 0. Okay. That's not right either, is it? What was I want? I want going out from here. Okay, that's probably what I actually want. So this isn't quite right. What I want is 2 or 3. Okay. And then 2 is going to be. Alright, then it goes increasing. Right, so 3, okay. Okay, let's do the prefix first. I'm doing a prefix wrong. Okay, so that's 3, right? So what we want is prefix min. Oh, this is the true part, and then it gets bigger. Okay. That's 3, and then it goes 2. I think I'm trying to do too much in linear. Let's just do it in sorted list. I mean, you can do it in linear, but I'm just struggling a little bit about it. And then what we want is no, this is not right either, is it? What am I doing? Okay, so then now here, let's say prefix plus h maybe, but right, so h, right? So if h is so previous max is equal to infinity, say, right? So then now max is equal to min of previous max, and then h if no, this is not right. Yeah. Okay, so if this number is wow, I'm just struggling today. It's 10 to the 5th. So is this DP? No, is this sortless? What am I doing? So we want like it's like an increasing thing, right? So if it stops there, it's gonna be 3, and then 2 is gonna be two, and 5, it's going to be 5. That's not quite right either. Wow, I'm just struggling on this one. I know a lot of people probably got that one already, but this one already, but I'm trying to do the harder one first. See one in one direction, and then we could do the other one easily. But okay, so if it's this is TP, what is it? This isn't right. I guess you have to use. No, just okay, fine. I think sorted list is fine. Okay, right. So then now here we go. Okay. Prefix is 0. Okay, and then now okay, fine. Okay, let's do. Okay, I got this. But probably a little bit slow, but that's okay. And SL of div1. I think you can do this with monostack, but whatever. This is greater than H, then this is going to be right, but it's going to be n. This is going to be n squared in the worst case, the way that I'm doing it. Okay, I need a counter, I guess. Yeah. Wow, this is complicated. Could also use a heap, but yeah, maybe I don't. I think the sorted list is maybe a little confusing. Maybe I could use a heap then. Okay, fine. Let's use a heap. So then now, right? And then just something like this maybe. And do we want a min heap? We do. What am I doing? No, I know what I'm doing. Okay, sorted list again. Okay, fine. Let's do it with sorted list. Okay. H of div1, right? If intent. Oh man, this is such a mess. Just make sure that this runs real quick. Okay. Otherwise we H cap, right? Okay, and then wow. SI was greater than 0, and the max element is greater than H, then we want to trim the delta. Delta is equal delta count is equal to SL 1, and then this one's gonna be here. It's fine. Oh. This is this plus 1, and then now we want total minus no, that's not delta, that's just the previous, right? Delta is equal to previous minus H, so then now total subtract delta times count, and then we want to remove this. And we want to add yeah, okay, fine. Right, okay, and then now we want to do one, right? This should always exist. So then now and this is wrong, this is right, and then now count running. Okay, and then now this is such a mess. Let's see if this is what I want. Okay. Oh wait, whoops. Okay, so now you have 3, this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, and then now you have 11 seems wrong, isn't it? It should be 10 and then 13. So why is it 11? Okay, it's a good thing that we actually looked at this, but still. Let's just see real quick. So we remove 5 for the previous, so the delta is going to be 3. There's 2 of them. Oh. No, that makes sense. So you minus 6. Alright, so then total is 11. What was it before? Off by 1 somewhere. Okay, so it's 17. Wait, it wasn't 17. Oh, it's 15. Yeah, this is 15. Wait, is it? No, this is 14. Oh, so this is not 5. Oh, this started off like really incorrect to begin with. So the 2, right? Huh. Actually, why isn't this triggering for this thing? Oops, debugging the wrong thing. Okay, so 3, 1 and then 2, 2. That's right, but we didn't do the math on the running. Or we didn't do the remove whole thing. Right. Oh, this is oh, I do have to check for this. If x is equal to h, then we can add this. Otherwise, that was, wow, this is actually way sloppy. Okay, so then now this one is 3, 4, 9, 14, 10, and then 13. Okay. Okay. How many people have gotten Q3? 93. So I'm like not great. I think the answer is I'm close. Right, let me double check that one real quick. So that's 5, 6, 6 and 10, 4. Okay, that's good. Okay, then now we can do something like Okay. Ooh, suffix needs to be reversed as well. Okay, so that's why we do it. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 6, 8. All right. Yeah. So what's the answer for the first one? 13. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. So then now it is 4 3x and 6. I guess you just max out, right? Could have been in one liner, I know. Just thinking about it. 13, 22, 18. Okay, let's give it submit. I hope this is the same problem and I didn't miss something like silly. I guess maybe let's just focus on. Did I keep the print statement in? I did not. Okay. I think I missed the prefix. Yeah. Oh, the input. Okay, same inputs. This times out actually would be a little bit sad. We wrote it this way so that doesn't time out, but all right. We're a little behind, but we caught up pretty okay. How are people doing? All right, so yeah, let's count by the number of paths. Path AB is valid if there exists exactly one prime number between A and B. Okay, I didn't even. I'm still tilted on the last problems. 25 people solved this, so okay. So you have edges. Okay, so this is a tree. It's actually in the name, but okay. Number exactly one prime number among the node labels from A to B. Okay. How many nodes is there? 10 to the 5th. We have to check if every number is prime or something like this first. Well, for sure. What is the node label? Did they give it to you? No. Oh, it's just from 1 to what is the label again? Just to be clear. 1 to n. Okay. So we still should calculate it. I guess that part is pretty straightforward. With a SIF, I think I should probably have a SIF written. But I think it's all true. Oops. Yeah. I feel like I have to write this because sometimes I get screwed by this. But X. Yeah, I make some optimizations here, but not there. I know, sloppy. Oh, whoops. Okay, so that now we have to prime SIF. I know I didn't return anything. I mean, you can see that you could do this way quickly, but still, maybe easier to make typos in any case. Okay, so so basically the number of paths, is it a rerouting thing? Let's say this is the root, then it's just the number of paths. Number of paths to the next node. So we can kind of keep doing that, maybe. But it's definitely not an easy problem. What is a 6-pointer? 6-pointer is okay, I guess. hope this isn't one of the same thing with respect to this silly memorization thing. Can I take advantage of the routing? Okay, let's say we start at any node. We have 1, right? Then what happens? What would we calculate? I guess it has to be a tree rerouting. The thing is, you do get to segment each. Basically, you have a connected components, right? And you revisit each, in a star graph. That's gonna be too slow. Wow, 40 people got it right. Basically, you rewrite this as how many primes it can reach. So in this case, well, and leaves. So I guess that makes it a little bit complicated. There's 2, okay, and you can't go 2 to 3. So that is actually a little bit more confusing. Not a easy one. I mean, I have the ideas, but it is tricky to kind of think through all the cases. Okay, so in terms of, so you definitely think about it in terms of each prime number, and then tree rerouting is something that I need to work on. I think if you know tree rerouting, maybe this is trivial, because then you just pass in the number of nodes that that doesn't make sense. Okay, it's just a number of reboot nodes. Okay, let's figure this out. So then now basically what I want to do, right? So hate this one index thing, but it is what it is. Especially since we have to deal with prime numbers and stuff, I don't want to think about indexing. Okay, so then now it should be just the number of. Oh, that's not enough, is it? Oh wait, exactly ones or exactly one? Okay, because I was thinking of the non-one case, and then now I got a little confused. Okay, so then now, okay, if okay, let's just say count to 0, right? For E in GF node, if we is not parent, DFS. What am I doing? This part should have been obvious. I don't know about how to do this, but yeah, okay. Right, so then now, okay, so then this is just the going upwards. Right. If prime of node returns 0. Otherwise, we return sub of node. Okay, right. 1, maybe 1, and then okay, yeah. Do this real quick. Okay, that doesn't seem like it's doing anything for obvious reasons because I never add anything. It is the number of nodes that is until it gets to a prime. Right, so it should be this, but count plus 1, and if it's a prime, I don't know if this is right for a prime. Maybe not. No, it should be just okay. No, we want it to have the count, just not propagate it up. Okay. So then now you have 2. 2 has 1 prime. Okay. Nope. 2 has 1 path. 1 has. It should be just 2 and 3. Okay, this is just a bad example, maybe. So then 2 has 1 non-thing, okay. 3 has 1 non-thing, okay. I think that's right for now, but I need a better example. Just like, okay, let's say we have a star graph. Right. No, with 2 in the middle. It's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this should be right. Oh, this should be a thing. Because if this is so, wait. So this should be giving me. Oh, I guess 3 and 5 are primes. Actually, I cannot do math. And also 7, so I just do 2 and 8. So this should give me 3. Okay. Okay, so that's just me the number of things within, right? So then now this we want to get a parent. Then now we look at the parents, right? So if prime of node, if this is a prime, then in here. If we is not parent, what do we do? Then basically we def as 2, we do we do a node, and then we have to look at the other stuff, right? So that's going to be just okay. So the current node, we look at all the things, and then yeah, so sub of this node minus sub of v would be all the other stuff. So something like this, right? Equals to sub of node plus other, basically, I think. I don't think this is right quite yet. I think I'm off by a little bit, but I think we're close. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. So one should not. So one. We have to do a +1 somewhere for non-nodes. That's why. But. Is this right? This isn't. Why are we doing negatives on the other? So this is very wrong. So sub of node minus sub of v. Node parent sub of node sub of v. Or just node to v. So from 2 to 3, sub of node is 3. Sub of v is 0. Oh, I think we just keep on passing this forward. So sub of node is, the sub of node is wrong. Oh wait, no. Is it though? Sub of v, because sub of v is not sub of node minus that, right? So it has to be some, the sub of v is prime. I see. Okay. If it's not prime, is that fine? I think if it's not prime, it's fine. Okay, because I store 2 different things. Okay. If prime of b s is equal to 0, maybe something like this. Is that right though? I mean, it's not even right for the input, so okay. But it's a start. Total is just that, right? So that's not right. So what? So 2 has 1, right? So then the other has to pass in, and prime of v, we don't so okay, but that makes sense. But sub of 1 should be, it should be this +1. So sub of node should be this +1. 4, 5, 7, is that right? No. Well, the 4 is right. The 5 is not right. I don't know if the 7 is right actually, but what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or something. So then it's just like A has to be. Do we not count the same things? I can't find 2 different nodes. Actually, it doesn't really seem like it's the same, but okay. Why do I only have 5? So yeah, I need a second monitor or something. 2, you have 2, that goes with 2, 1, 2, and 2, 4. Okay, that's right. For 3, we have 1, 3, 3, 6. That's also right. And then 5, we have 1. We have 5 to 3. Nope, no 5. Oh no, that's a 6. Okay, 6. So 6. 3. Oh. I see. Oh, I see what I'm missing. But okay, so I have. It is not just the sum. It is. Isn't. This is well. What am I doing? It's definitely not just the sum. The number of nodes on the other side. So okay, so 3, right? What does that mean? Okay, so the first thing would be, I don't know, the 6 doesn't make sense though. Why is there a 6 there? Oh no, that's a 5. Why is there 5, 1 then? 5 should not have any paths. I think we're just off by 1, because this is just this plus 1 or something like that. I mean, that's fine, maybe. Because I think the math is just wrong anyway. That's the number of paths on the other side of this node coming in. Okay, that's fine. So then now the number of things, it is just equal to like any combination of 2 different things, which is kind of an awkward thing to say. How do you even get it? A lot of people are getting it though, so I should have saved the other case, but oh well. There could be a lot of edges, so I don't even know how to solve that. And that for every edge out from a prime, you can kind of do the thing. If they don't have star graph for this one, I'm going to be annoyed because otherwise this is actually pretty easy. But the star graph is, I don't know how to solve that. Actually, I don't know if it's easy, but it is not great. Am I thinking about rebooting too early? Can I do a... I don't know how to do this without squared, right? If you have all these things. And you have to multiply, oh no, like the star graph. How do you solve the star graph? Like a 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then you have 5 times 5 is 25, and so forth, right? And then it's just like a lot of combinatorics. How did my rank not change? No. How do you get the sum of all the choosing 2s without n square? I don't get it. Even if I did come up with everything or something. Right. I did this really well, but this should have a long thing, right? Long, yeah. I forgot how to do this. I remember this trick. Okay, fine. Do we want V is not a good name, but let's just go count. I don't know, lazy. Okay, fine, that's fine. Count start. Oh, nope. Should we propagate up? Okay, fine. Count start. Oh, type pen. Oops. We don't need the totals. Where do I have total? 52. Oh, right, of course. I did forget about this trick though. Okay. So 1 0 0 0. So we don't do the 0. That's yeah. But you have one job, and it is to not a pen that it's on this part, I guess. 2, you have 1. Is that true? No, you have 1 and 1. So that's just wrong. And 3 also has 1. Did I miss an off by 1? Probably. Put it there. Okay, so 2 has 1 1. Oh, 1 1. 2 has 1 1. Okay, 5 has nothing. 5 has 3. That's definitely not right. 3 has 1. Okay, that's right. 5. Why do you have this other in this sub thing? No. Okay, so why am I passing? What am I passing? So other has wait, what? Okay, so this good. 5 we passing 3. Why do we passing 3? Oh, because of this +1 thing. Because 2 we passing. Oh, okay. So other is if we. Yeah. Okay. I think we have to set this to 0 because we don't keep passing down. So then now 5 has 2, which is still wrong, but yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so 5. We go to 5. We go to from node 2. Other is going to be 0. That's true. Sub node is 2 minus SS. If that's 0, okay. So this thing. If this node is prime, then it cuts off anyway. So I think then. But I feel like this is prone to make silly mistakes. I'm not very confident in the way that I'm writing this. And then now 5 actually should not have any path, so that's actually fine. This one as well. So okay, 1 1. So that means that you have 1 degree of freedom on that side, or 2 degree of freedom on that side, 2 degree of freedom on that side. So then that's 4, right? Is that true? No, come on, Larry. So you have 2. You have 1 degree of freedom, 2 choices. Right? You have 0 1 0 1, right? So should be 4 on the 2, but what am I missing? Oh, you can't do both, so it'll be 1 less than that. Okay, that's fine. So that'll be 3 with 2's in the middle, which is true. 1 1 2 2 4 and 1 4, and same with 3. Okay, now I have to just do the summation thing. I don't know. This just feels so yucky, but I think we're getting close to it. Okay. So we want to print count or something. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Total is 0. For key in, was it count? keys, counts of keys, and then now we want this. So then now we have t is equal to sum of this, right? And then we have component sum, right? So sum of x times x for x in counts of k, right? Component sum, right? So then now it's t minus cs over 2 or something, right? And this will be off by 1. So let's see if I'm right. Then this will be off by 2 on the first case, but it's not. So what number is that, right? Oh, this is 2 degrees of freedom, so it's actually okay, fine. This is x plus 1, and then in this case is sum of okay, so it's off by 2 and off by 2, so that's right, because this should be this minus 1 for the 1 node case. Oh, that's not right, is it? Dong dong dong. Okay, I didn't submit because that would be a silly. Why do I get that wrong? Oh, because I don't do the. I don't think this case ends up well. So that is. Oh yeah, because it's not every pair, so it only has length 1. Okay, fine. Else. Okay, so if it has only 1 element, then and that's it. Yeah, just add this. I think this is still a little bit awkward though, but okay, actually it turns out to be right. But to be honest, I'm very this part is just so sketch. But I'm gonna YOLO submit, get a wrong answer, and then see what happens. Okay, that's a sad looking example though. Okay, so that's like I feel like I could have tested this. 1 4 3 4. Okay. Okay, why is this wrong? Okay, so 1 is not a prime. Why do I have a count string on? That's probably why, but why do I what? Oh, oof. If node that is a silly mistake, but okay. Okay. I mean, it still should be wrong, but at least we have something to really debug. This is off by a lot actually, so that's actually not great. Pencil and paper time. Okay, 7 4. Let's actually print out this right as well. Okay, so we have 17. Okay, let's load this thing. 7 4 3 4 5 4 1 5 6 4 9 5 8 7 and 2 8. 2 8. Okay, right. So I do a depth of search on this. Right, 7 we have 1 1. That's right. Oh no, 1 2. Oh yeah, 1 2. That's right. 1, 2 is right. 5 is 1, 2, 1, 1. Let's see. 2, 1, 1 is right. 2 is 1, also right. 3 is 2, also right. And we have 1. Oh, we have 2, 3, 5, 7. So why is that giving me a wrong answer? Maybe my math is wrong. Okay. So 7 should have 1 and 2. That's 3 degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom. So that's 6. So that's 5. Right? 5 has maybe this form is a little bit off actually. I think it might be actually because it's triple counting stuff. Okay, but 2, 1, 1, right? So that's 3, 2, 2, and degrees of freedom. So that's 6 plus 6 plus 4. So that's yeah, that's 16 minus 3. So that's 13. 2 is just 1, and 3 is just 2. And if I had done it right, then this should be 18 plus 20, 21. 21 is still more than 17, so maybe my math is still wrong. Let's see, right? So did I misunderstand this? So 1, 2. Oh, the 0 cases are very weird. That's why. Okay, so the degrees of freedoms are okay. So I have to change how I define this. So then instead of 3, 2, 2, it's actually just 2, 1, 1, and then plus the sum of 4. So then now you have 2 plus 1 plus 4. So that's 9. So that's equal to 9. 4 is 5, 1, 2, 14, 16, 17. Okay, I see. Wow. Okay. Okay, so then it's just this, and also okay, so sum is equal to yeah. And these are just the basic maths, so I feel like that's kind of bad. Oops. 17, okay. And that I still expect to get wrong answers on the other parts. That's why I'm a little bit sad. Oh, okay. Maybe not then. Silly mistakes on those parts then, but still very hard contest for me. A lot of people got it pretty good. What the wow? Oh no, they didn't finish Q3. So okay. I mean, like top 200 is okay, but we have 10 minutes of penalty, so yikes. And I don't know if they're going to do the star graph thing, because if there's a star graph thing, then I'm going to be pissed. But I guess I should have submitted Q3 first, in theory. But Q4 I also I mean, one of the mathematical mistakes is fine. The other one was kind of silly, to be honest. Which one was it? What did I get wrong in the first place? I forget. Oh, 1, 2, 4, 3. What was wrong about that one? I forget. I fixed it, but because I forgot the prime. So that was just dumb. So one of the wrong answers was definitely just dumb, but the other one, still dumb, but I just didn't really think it through enough. So that's yeah. Well, it still takes a map, I know. But yeah. Still though. Oh, silliness. Anyway, don't really have much more to add to this one, to be frank. I mean, I think it was a fun contest. Let's sorry, I was just kind of on Discord, like, I don't know, just messing around. So if you on Discord, come and hang out, chat about the contest. Not during the contest, but after the contest. You know, at least no spoilers. Anyway, yeah. Let's, you know. I sometimes I forget about this, and I don't mean to, but I guess now we have time. I guess the ranking just hasn't ever updated, but let's kind of see if we can give shout outs to some, you know, some friendly people. Wow, Chi Impact. Wow, that's a very good. I wonder if I'm missing something on Q4. People are so like fast on it. Like, yeah, maybe I'm just missing something obvious. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, good job, Chi. Man, people are passing me left and right on ratings, but because I haven't been practicing, I need to practice a little bit. Don't really see anyone. Oh, Remix. Oh, good job, Remix. 70th. Save BMK. Oh no, I'm going a little bit fast, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, good job, friends. I need like a thing. I don't know, like a plugin, so that I don't have to, you know. But then these are all the Pyoku full solved, so it might keep going a little bit afterwards. I wonder how updated this is though, because this is just. I mean, this is just weird, right? There's 150 and one. I don't know. The leaderboard on Leetcode is always a little bit sketch, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's what I have for this one. That's what I have for this contest. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.